Kaibigan, and fellow event professionals, finally, here are my top 5 conference trends to watch this 2025. Number 1, sustainability at the forefront. Think about zero waste setups, digital programs, and eco-friendly swag that will make conference this year even greener. In fact, last year at the National Marketing Conference of the Philippine Marketing Association, this was heavily discussed. Same at the Sustainability Summit of the Philippine Council of Associations and Association Executives. Number 2, hybrid events becomes a norm. Imagine in-person energy meets online convenience. It's a win-win for everyone. In fact, our organization is expecting to manage numerous hybrid events this year. Number 3, wellness-centric conferences. From yoga breaks to healthy snacks. It's all about keeping attendees refreshed and recharged. Number 4, AI powered conferences. Smart tools like chatbots and personalized schedules are making conference engaging to attendees. In fact, last year at the MICECon Clark, it's the first time that I experienced an AI that summarized every talk of the speaker, making it memorable to all attendees. And finally, number 5, edutainment takes over. Conferences are combining education with entertainment. Think about dynamic speakers, interactive panels, and live performances. What among the trends are you most excited about? Comment below and follow me for more events and conference tips.